Mastering manufacturing quality assurance. Quality assurance's ambiguous power structure sabotages manufacturing excellence. Who within the organization, specifically in the quality assurance department, holds the various roles and responsibilities, and to whom do they report, in order to ensure clear lines of communication and a well-defined organizational structure for achieving operational excellence in manufacturing quality assurance. In the context of manufacturing quality assurance, achieving operational excellence requires a well-defined organizational structure with clear lines of communication and explicitly defined roles and responsibilities. Within the quality assurance department, the following roles and responsibilities are critical to ensure operational excellence. Quality Assurance, QA, Manager. The QA manager is responsible for overseeing the entire quality assurance function and ensuring that the organization's quality objectives are met. They report directly to the production manager or plant manager. Key responsibilities include developing and implementing quality policies, procedures, and standards, ensuring compliance with regulatory requirements, industry standards, and customer specifications, leading quality improvement initiatives and implementing corrective actions, coordinating quality audits and assessments, and reporting findings to management, managing the quality assurance budget and resources, collaborating with other departments, e.g., production, engineering, and purchasing, to ensure quality alignment. Quality Engineer. The quality engineer is responsible for ensuring that quality standards are met during the design, development, and production phases of product manufacturing. They report to the QA manager. Key responsibilities include developing and maintaining quality control plans and procedures, conducting design and process failure mode and effects analysis, FMEA, implementing and maintaining quality management system, QMS, elements, such as document control, corrective action, and internal auditing. Collaborating with production and engineering teams to resolve quality issues and implement improvements. Participating in new product development and launch activities to ensure quality considerations are integrated into the design and production process. Quality Inspector. The quality inspector is responsible for ensuring that products meet quality and regulatory requirements during production. They report to the quality engineer. Key responsibilities include conducting in-process and final inspections of products to ensure compliance with quality standards, identifying and documenting quality defects or nonconformities, collaborating with production teams to resolve quality issues and implement corrective actions, maintaining accurate records of inspection results and quality data, participating in quality improvement initiatives and providing input on process improvements. Calibration and metrology technician. The calibration and metrology technician is responsible for ensuring that measurement and testing equipment is properly calibrated and maintained to ensure accurate and reliable results. They report to the quality engineer. Key responsibilities include calibrating and maintaining measurement and testing equipment, conducting audits of calibration and measurement systems, collaborating with quality and production teams to ensure accurate and reliable test results, maintaining records of calibration and maintenance activities, participating in quality improvement initiatives and providing input on process improvements. Quality Assurance Technician. The quality assurance technician is responsible for supporting quality assurance activities and ensuring that quality standards are met during production. They report to the quality inspector. Key responsibilities include conducting quality audits and inspections to ensure compliance with quality standards, identifying and documenting quality defects or nonconformities, assisting in the development and implementation of quality control plans and procedures, collaborating with production teams to resolve quality issues and implement corrective actions, maintaining accurate records of quality data and inspection results. Document Control Administrator. The Document Control Administrator is responsible for maintaining and controlling quality documentation, including policies, procedures, and records. They report to the QA Manager. Key responsibilities include developing and maintaining quality documentation, including policies, procedures, and records. Ensuring compliance with document control procedures and regulatory requirements. Coordinating document reviews and approvals. Maintaining accurate and up-to-date documentation records. Participating in quality improvement initiatives and providing input on process improvements. Training Coordinator. The Training Coordinator is responsible for ensuring that quality personnel are properly trained and competent to perform their duties. They report to the QA Manager. Key responsibilities include developing and implementing quality training programs and materials. Coordinating quality training sessions and workshops. Ensuring that quality personnel are properly trained and competent to perform their duties. Maintaining accurate records of training activities and personnel qualifications. Participating in quality improvement initiatives and providing input on process improvements. In addition to these roles and responsibilities, it is essential to have a clear organizational structure with well-defined communication channels and escalation procedures to ensure that quality issues are addressed promptly and effectively. This includes regular quality meetings, quality metrics reporting, and a robust corrective action and preventive action (CAPA) process. By establishing a well-defined organizational structure with clear roles and responsibilities, manufacturing organizations can ensure that quality assurance activities are properly coordinated and executed, leading to operational excellence and improved product quality.